Structural waterproofing contracts have been working with Premcrete for the last few years now. We found some other benefits which have been really good, particularly their QA system with Premcrete. We found it really easy to use. All of the lads that we have on site can just go on their mobile phone, take a photo of the area they've worked on for the day and upload it straight onto the system.
Had early engagement with Premcrete on this job for gas membrane below slab works, and it's been a good system, and it's worked well. Good collaboration between all parties so far.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm a senior engineer here in North London Hidden Power Plant. They've been very, very helpful, from getting preliminary drawings to getting them for construction and answering all questions that we had.
Hi there, my name's Darren. I work for Premcrete UK. As we speak now, we're at Silverstone where we're working. My dealings with Premcrete, very good. Customer service is very good. When you bring up, you speak to someone, you get answers sort of the next, within half hour.
Hi, my name is Adrian, working for Lift Solution, one of the supervisors on this site. We are working for the main client Hill Group in here, doing a project of, they got great customer service, and whenever we need them, they're there. They're professionals, and when it comes to waterproofing.
Hi, I'm Anna Clark. I'm a project manager for Erith at 54 Bishops Avenue, which is a 2-storey residential basement in North London. So the main advantage we found with VOID-TEK is the logistics on site, the fact that you can get 300 metres squared on 2 pallets rather than a whole cat-and-sided lorry that takes hours and hours to offload.
Hello, my name is Brian Hennigan. I'm a project manager for Modbest Builders. We are currently using VOID-TEK material from Premcrete. I'll say the main benefit for us will be storage. There's 6 pallets that we required to fulfill our needs here, and an equivalent from another manufacturer would have been in the region of 40 pallets. So the main benefit we've had from using the VOID-TEK is the storage space that it takes up. I would be very happy to use it at another project, and I'd recommend it to anyone who would think about using it.
Yeah, I think Simon was really helpful. We don't always get the support that we've had. I know this is quite a big job, but even on the smaller job, it's always good when you're pumping a new product to have the support there. This is how it should be done, this is the mixing ratio. And I think what Simon did and what Premcrete did really well was they set the parameters.
Hiya, I'm Ewan Davis. I work for Rob West. I'm the ECC supervisor on the Stolthaven Thunder refurbishment project. I would definitely work with Premcrete again, especially with the on-site training. I would work with them on site and also to specify any of their products on any future projects.
My name is Faisal Bating. I am the technical manager of BSN. The advantages of Premcrete product is that we can use it up to -3 degrees. So we have done some tests in Premcrete laboratory, and it's very, very helpful for us during the winter time, because most of the other products are limited to 5 degrees. And during the winter time, it's very limiting. The very fast curing Premcrete Eponite is one of the innovations of this site.